Hello, hi, welcome to Mkosa Samzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Sims Ngema and Tino welcome their second child yesterday. They welcomed the child yesterday, and Mzansi is just talking about that. Type of congratulations, Mogel. They are having another boy. It means Sebana two boys, Kesana, and people keep on just sending them messages lapha kuma-social media platforms congratulating them lapha kubo-TikTok. Kunama-video la-circulator-ko whereby uSemzingema ubonakala ulele esibhedlela, and people are just saying ukuthi hayi bo Gele, avune nhlanhla ave ulike. God has blessed you with a second child, and baby daddy wakho is right beside you Kesana during this whole process. Lokuyinto njena le engakavami ngendlela lesimanga. So if utithola awuna baby daddy by your side during ukuthola kwakho komntwana, just know ukuthi how lucky you are, because bayafana abanye they just run away uma sekunje Kesana, usale uyi-one, usale ulenga. Congratulations to you Sims. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.